In this video, you will learn how to create a task blueprint, how to use task blueprints, and some ideas for task blueprints to make your firm more efficient. To create a task blueprint, go to the task blueprint page. From here, you would select to create a new task blueprint. You will need to fill in the name of the task blueprint as well as the matter type. You should enter the name of each of the tasks, the role of the person who should complete the task, the duration of the task measured in days, where 0 means that the task will be due on the day that it is assigned, whether the task has a deadline, the estimated number of budget hours for the task, and whether the fee type is hourly or a fixed fee. We recommend entering all of the tasks for a particular activity first, then going back to add the dependencies to show which tasks go before or after the other tasks. You can also set the priority of the tasks. The significance of setting the member type is because this will pull from who is assigned for the particular role for the matter. This allows a law firm to simply point and click to select the task blueprint for very complex tasks and activities to have the team members automatically assigned to the tasks that they need to complete. This means that everyone knows exactly what is expected, when it should be done, and what they are waiting on. Task blueprints are handy because you can import a task blueprint with predecessors and successors already defined. When adding a dependency, we think that it is easier to simply utilize the dependency selector to choose either predecessor or successor, then link the tasks together. You should disregard the dependency type. Here you can also create the lag days, which is the number of days from the end of the predecessor task or until the beginning of a successor task until it is supposed to commence. You can also choose whether the lag type should be calendar days or business days. For example, let's say that you have a series of steps for a particular activity, such as responding to a motion for summary judgment, closing a business transaction, or even onboarding a new client. When linking tasks, if step 1 is a predecessor to step 2, which means that it comes before step 2, then you would link step 1 as a predecessor of step 2. Likewise, if you know that step 4 is supposed to come after step 3, then you would link 4 as a successor to step 3. To use a task blueprint, you simply go to a matter, click on the Import/Export button, and select to import a task blueprint. It is important to have the roles input for the matter for the appropriate person to auto-populate for a particular task from a task blueprint. Some ideas to use task blueprints can include steps for client onboarding, including conflicts of interest, responding to or sending discovery and litigation, or the documents that need to be drafted and the things that need to be done in order to complete a corporate transaction. Now you should know how to create a task blueprint, how to use a task blueprint, and some ideas for task blueprints to make your firm more efficient. To learn more about this topic, visit the Zencase Help Center.